So students, we are going to talk about computer memory, its types and the storage devices. So first introducing with what a memory is. In computing, memory refers to the physical devices used to store programs. ठीक है, when we are telling something that memory, so it means the place where we are storing something. ठीक है, so for computer, it's probably a storage devices. ठीक है, ऐसी physical devices जिसमें हम कोई भी data या information secure करते हैं, those are called storage devices. ठीक है, so we use computer memory to store programs, to store data or information. Okay, so here on the screen you can see types of memories. Starting with CPU register, there are some temporary storage areas like cache, then level 1, level 2. Then it comes to the first computer memory portion, which is RAM, physical RAM and the virtual RAM. Then storage devices like ROM, removable drivers, network internet storage and the hard drive. This part of the computer memory is the permanent storage permanent storage areas, and the upper part like cache, level 1, level 2 and RAM part, those are the temporary storage devices areas. So now further we can use input sources to feed data like keyboard, mouse, scanner, remote sources, other sources. Okay, these are devices used to enter the data and then they are stored into the different places. Just make one thing very clear, students, that when we are talking about RAM, RAM, that is random access memory. Though that type of memory is a temporary storage, ठीक है, वो temporarily वहाँ पे save होती है, ठीक है. But when it comes to ROM, read only memory, that is permanent storage area. RAM stands for random access memory, ROM stands for read only memory. Main memory divided into two parts. Random access memory, RAM, should be better known as read-write memory. And the second part, which is ROM, read-only memory. Okay, now what is random access memory? A RAM memory chip is an integrated circuit. Integrated circuits in short forms is also called IC, made of millions of transistors and capacitors in the most common form of computer memory. Dynamic random access memory, DRAM, a transistor and a capacitor combines to create a memory cell which represents a single bit of data. So here on the screen, the arrow which is here represents the RAM of the memory. This is the green portion on this board is the RAM of computer memory. Static RAM, semiconductor memory, use flip-flops to store each bit of memory, so does not needed to be periodically refreshed. Fast and consumes low power, expensive and has complex structure, so not to use for high capacity applications. हमें RAM को there are types of RAM like static RAM, ठीक है, which is a semiconductor memory. We should not use it for a high capacity application. हमें इसमें high capacity के applications को store नहीं करना चाहिए and also it is very expensive. ठीक है, then the second type is dynamic RAM. Stores each bit of memory in capacitor in an integrated circuit. वो जितनी भी memory की bits होती हैं वो एक capacitor में integrated circuits के अंदर save करता है. Real capacitor leak charge, so capacitor needs to be refreshed periodically. Real capacitors जो होते हैं वो जल्दी leak हो जाते हैं, so they needs to be refreshed, यानी उनको हमें new तरीके से upload करना पड़ता है. Simple structure, the structure of this RAM is very simple. One capacitor and one transistor, so it has very high density. Then the second memory is read-only memory. New contents cannot be added in read-only memory, ROM. We cannot edit things, we can only read them. हम उसमें कोई changes नहीं कर सकते, हम उसमें अपने हिसाब से कोई भी चीज add नहीं कर सकते. We can only read them. ठीक है, used to store the instructions of routine type permanent in nature and used to control or supervise the hardware. हम इसमें कुछ इस टाइप का डेटा स्टोर करते हैं जो परमानेंट हो, इट शुड नॉट बी चेंज. ठीक है, लाइक अ रूटीन. ठीक है, परमानेंट नेचर हम जिसमें ऐसे चीजें स्टोर करते हैं जो हमारे कंप्यूटर. Types of ROM: programmable read-only memory, which is called PROM, programmed to record the information using a facility programmer. Once the information is recorded, it cannot be changed. In programmable read-only memory, the data is in a recorded form. So once the data is recorded, it cannot be changed. Further, EPROM, which is erasable programmable read-only memory, information can be erased and chips can be reprogrammed to record different information using the PROM program. Like previous one, जिसमें PROM में हम सिर्फ उसको एक बार रिकॉर्ड कर लिया तो हम उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते, हम उसमें एडिट उसको डिलीट नहीं कर सकते. बट हियर इट इज इरेजेबल, हम उसको इरेज कर सकते हैं. इन EPROM memory, what we do, we can erase. It stands for erasable programmable read-only memory. Information is erased using UV radiation. It's two-type: ultraviolet. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Memory is erased by electrical signals. Provides easy means to store temporary or permanent information in the form of ROM memory. Now, secondary memory. What is secondary memory? It supplements the main memory. It is the permanent memory. Secondary memory is the main memory of computer. It is the permanent memory. Okay, programs, data entered into the system, intermediate results and final results produced are stored in the computer memory. ठीक है, जो फाइनल रिजल्ट्स होते हैं वो कहाँ स्टोर होते हैं? कंप्यूटर मेमोरी के अंदर. यू कैन सी इट इन द पिक्चर. दिस इज हाउ a secondary memory, computer memory's main unit is like. So there are many classifications like magnetic based storage devices, floppy disk, compact disk, hard disk, magnetic tapes. There are many types of them. Optical storage media, which is CD. It stores large amount of data in some format as much as the entire hard disk. Read data by focused a laser generated beam of light on the light on disk surface. CD-ROM disk and DVD-ROM disk. In optical storage data, in optical storage media, we have two types of ROM. We have two types of devices, which is CD-ROM and CD and DVD. Okay, so students, this was all about computer memory. So now further, I want you to open page number 7 of your book.